गॉड एग्जिस्ट करता है, लेकिन बाकी रिलीजन्स में जैसे हमें देखने को मिलता है कि बहुत सारे गॉड्स हैं, मल्टीपल गॉड्स हैं। तो दीन इस्लाम के अंदर हमने एक गॉड हमारे अल्लाह ताला, तो वो अल्लाह ही क्यों है और एक गॉड क्यों है?
Once we reach the understanding and conclusion that the God exists and the universe is being driven and managed and created by God, तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन का पार्ट 2 बहुत आसान से समझ आ जाता है कि why only one God? Have we seen anywhere in the college, in the university having two principals? All the colleges, universities have one vice chancellor, one dean of department, one HOD, one president, one prime minister. Queen of England, who was recently left, Queen Elizabeth. So does somebody know who was the husband of Queen Elizabeth? Very rarely people know it, because he was not ruling England. It was Queen Elizabeth ruling. That is why the husband of Queen Elizabeth was taken as Prince Philip, not King Philip. There could not be two heads of the state, two controllers of one mini universe named England. It has to be one entity. And whenever it is more than one, there is always a conflict. The universe cannot be run with the conflicting strategy, conflicting management, and dual management. We see in the houses, mothers and fathers do not have 100% agreement on everything in the house. It's because they are two different identities, two different minds, two different souls. So once there are two persons governing one house, two persons governing one country, or two persons governing two identities governing the universe, there will always be a conflict, and that will not be able to get managed this way. Had the world been managed by two different gods, more than one gods, you would not have seen this uniformity in the world the way the world is functioning. The sun rises on the 1st of July every year exactly on the same time, same clock, same seconds. It does not change. The rainy weather is rainy weather. The dry weather is dry weather. Winters, wherever cold, stay cold. And summers, wherever summers, they stay cold. They stay summers. They never turn into the snowy weathers. Very small little few examples of this. Human body itself is a big proof of a third identity who is running this universe. Plants, from the seed a plant grows. From a seed plant grows. You find tree with the green trees, with the light browny color texture stem, wood. Once you put fire onto that green leaves and light browny texture wood, the fire which comes out of it, it's red colored. Black buffalo eating green grass, giving absolute pure white milk. Who is managing this all? Is it all by accident? We don't find even a single thing in this world going by accident, by default. Even what we call it autopilot are actually guided pilots, not autopilots. They behave like auto, but they are fed actually. Everything, altitude, speed, angles, everything has been fed to it, and then it becomes the autopilot flight of the aircraft. एक्चुअली एक की डेफिशिएंसी को पूरा करने के लिए दूसरे की जरूरत होती है. इंसान और जानवर और जानदार इसलिए कपल्स पे होते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर इम्परफेक्ट. वन डज नॉट कैरी एवरीथिंग, सो देयर इज अनदर नीडेड which fills into the gaps and dots and makes one complete, close to the complete identity. God is absolutely complete. He's got no deficiencies, so he does not need to be two. That is why he doesn't have son, he doesn't have father, he doesn't have mother, he doesn't have any wives. He doesn't need to have. These things are our needs because we are incomplete.